Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 28th of December. And first of all, national news. PM Modi Union Cabinet passed condolence resolution on passing of former PM Manmohan Singh. NGT issued notice to sender others over improper recycling of used solar panels. Supreme Court gave Punjab government 24 hours to hospitalize farmer leader Jagjit Daliwal. Bank's profitability improved for sixth year in row of financial year 24, RBI report. Air India to see progress on key initiatives in 2025 working towards profitability, CEO Wilson. Now, international news. German president dissolved parliament, called snap elections for February 23. WHO chief called for release of UN staff following negotiations with Houthis. South Korea National Assembly votes to impeach acting president Han. Abu Dhabi aimed to shatter world record with spectacular New Year's Eve fireworks extravaganza. Dubai transformed into festive wonderland with spectacular winter celebrations. And now some sports news. Women's cricket, India beat West Indies by 5 wickets, clean sweep series 3-0. Indian team wore black armbands to honor Dr. Manmohan Singh. Shooting, Vijayveer Sidhu won men's 25-meter rapid-fire pistol title at 67th National Championship. Football, Kerala to face Jammu and Kashmir in Santosh Trophy quarter-finals. Now news related to business. Rural-urban consumption inequality dips during August 2023 to July 2024 government survey. CAD moderated marginally to 1.2% of GDP in quarter 2 RBI data. Forex reserve dropped by $8.478 billion to $644.391 billion. Manmohan Singh's contributions as architect of India's economy reform have left indelible mark, RBI governor. RBI's monetary policy may have slowed demand, Finance Ministry. And that's all in news. Thank you.